where we are looking today at Rironi Mau Summit. We've been looking at Nairobi, Mombasa, and if we do our studies and confirm that you have got enough traffic to guarantee the kind of investment, then today we trying to close Rironi Mau Summit. We building, like the president did mention yesterday somewhere, that from Rironi is the end of the road that has been built from James Kishuru, just out of Nairobi. We'll be building a four-lane, two-way, all the way to Naivasha, both through the escarpment, Maimayu, and from Naivasha to Nakuru, we're building a two-way, six-lane, and beyond Nakuru, we're building a two-way, four-lane, all the way to Mau Summit, and later on to Malaba. And there are proponents who are currently being looked at, quite attractive. I think in terms of value of money to the users, we also concerned, and that's why I mentioned about an area which is mature like the energy sector with a regulatory regime, which basically protects the users for value of money and ensures the investor gets return on their equity. Being a mature space, we encourage, and I've worked with people like Engineer Keva, we encourage investors to basically bring in investments in the structure that makes the investment attractive. So we would normally look at a debt equity ratio of a minimum of 70-30, 70 debt and 30 equity, because of course equity is a bit expensive. And to the extent that you get a win-win and you get this kind of return on your equity over that period of time guaranteed, it makes us very attractive. So I'd like to encourage investors in the house that Kenya is a mature investment destination with programs in energy. I use that as an example because I was there for a while, having run the full life and a waiting list of many investors up to the year 2040. So it's really, we want to encourage you to look at some of these investments, because as we market some of the good investments today, you will probably not, you may not appreciate that if you come in slightly late, you might have to join the waiting list, because this is a mature investment destination. We assure you we know how to protect investments for you guys to be able to basically bring in your investment, and for that investment to work for you at those very reasonable return on your equity. So we want to encourage you to look at this destination, look at opportunities in various areas in the road sector. In the transport sector, we are looking at a new airport. We're looking at the ports. We need to really have the kind of ports that we see out there in the world and be able to kind of support this country. We're looking at Lamu for transshipment. So there are opportunities in Lamu, there are opportunities in improving our ports in Mombasa. Mombasa being a port that services the landlocked countries of Uganda, Rwanda, Congo, and even be able to do transshipment out of Lamu. So we want to encourage you to look at this destination favorably, noting that if you came in tomorrow, you might be in that waiting list of 2030, 2040, 2060, because like I said, we are an attractive destination. So Waziri, we have a very able PPP directorate. We have a PPP Act that basically that basically looks at how to protect everybody in their space, from the user of your service to basically protecting you and ensuring that the investment you bring into this destination is secured. So great, Waziri, that you are able to mount the team to basically look at us, bring in some new foreign direct investments, and want to assure you this is a good investment destination. We'll shortly be relooking at the airport. We want to quickly, those of you who come in, do appreciate that we don't quite have an airport. Our airport got burnt sometimes in 2013, 2014, and we have tried once or twice to build, but because of our democratic space, we've had so much debate. But we are making another go very shortly to build for you guys a new airport so that we really become that anchor state that basically attracts, and when you come in, you feel good coming into Kenya through the new airport. So Waziri, congratulations for mounting such a big team. We want to confirm that you are in the right place and look at us favorably today, not tomorrow. You don't want to be in that long waiting list where today, why are people in the waiting list? You know, investments, PPP investments would really need a market, because we want to give you some guarantee. Even if you are doing a road, you want to make sure that the road has got traffic, which will leverage your investment to give you a good return on your equity. And on the other side, we'll balance the value for money to ensure that Kenyans are not paying too much, because if there isn't enough traffic, you'll be forced to charge too much to be able to get your return. And so what does that mean? In the energy sector, we off-take, it's basically almost take or pay. And therefore, we'll only generate power that the economy needs under the least cost power development plan. And therefore, if really there is no demand for power and you generate and we are going to buy, it means it would make the cost of power high. And yet, from a value of money perspective, we must protect the user. So if you don't come in early enough and basically give us the supply which matches the demand, we run into that problem of having to tell you your slot is 2035, 2040, 2050. So it's good for you to really look at us early and confirm what we need to do together today, so that you don't have to be coming around our offices tomorrow asking us that we help you to jump the queue, because whoever came in today would be ready to deliver, say, for 2026, 2027, and yet you have a bankable project, you want to deliver immediately, but you are far down the waiting list. So look at us favorably, let's sit down and look at the various areas where you may wish to invest in and be able to progress together. Waziri, thank you so much, and happy I'm here. Sorry for coming late again. Asante. Thank you.
So, yeah.